pizza steel. I got mine for about $100. I'll link the website that I got mine on. Benefits of it, I can cook 4 loaves of bread at a time instead of like 2 that I can usually cook in 2 at a time I can cook in the Dutch ovens. So if you are someone that's looking to bake in bulk and not quite ready to spend the $8,000 or whatever dollars on a professional bread oven, it's a good intermediate step. I like how the crust turns out better than it does with the Dutch oven. So here we go. So I've got this water here in this tea kettle that I've been boiling, so that's nice and hot. I've got my bread that's been proofing in the fridge for about 6 hours. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna score it like normal. Now I have had my oven preheating with the baking steel in it for about an hour at 490. So now we're just going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Okay, and now I don't know if you can really see it, I'll try to get it out. I have these, they're lava rocks. I just got them on Amazon, and these have also been preheating with the pizza steel. So I'm just going to pour the boiling water and I use 2 pans full of them because you want a lot. And now we're going to turn this down to 450. And I'm going to set a timer for about 10 minutes. And then I also like to throw in a few ice cubes as well. I'm just trying to create as much steam as possible in the oven. So we're gonna cook this at 450 for 20 minutes with the steam, but I've set a timer to check it at 10 minutes because I'll probably add in a little more hot water and some more ice just to keep it nice and steamy there. It's nice and steamy in the oven. Okay, my 10-minute timer just went off. So we're just gonna kind of see. Ooh, it's kind of hard to see because it's real steamy. But there you go. You can kind of see that's what the pizza still looks like. And then I've got my lava rocks under there. So I just set that timer because I'm gonna put a little more boiling water on the lava rocks, and then I will set it for another 10 minutes. All right. So now my other 10-minute timer just went off. So we're gonna be removing the steam, but basically what I'm just gonna do is just not add any more water or any ice or anything, and then I might just kind of, it's hard doing one-handed, but just kind of reposition the bread so it cooks evenly. Okay. Now we're gonna cook it for 10 more minutes, again at the same temperature, so 450. And a note with the lava rocks here, you want to be sure that you're using cast iron. Don't use glass pans to put them in. So I've learned that the hard way. The glass will shatter. But anyway, so 10 more minutes at 450. Alright, so now our timer just went off. So I am just going to check the temperature to make sure it's right about 200. at 187, so I'm gonna put it in for probably about another 5 minutes. We just want the temperature to be right about 200. Okay, so my 5-minute timer just went off, so we'll check our temperature one more time. Okay, perfect. It's at 195, so that's close enough. Okay, now we'll just take our bread out, put it on a cooling rack. Here we go. Now I'm just gonna leave it out all night to cool off, and we'll cut into it in the morning and see how it looks. Alright, so now it's been cooling all night. So here's our finished product.